Hello everyone. AXETRIS is leading manufacturer of micro-optics, including micro-lenses, micro-lens arrays, and also diffractive optical elements shown here. Our micro-optics and micro-lens product can enable all kinds of optical transceivers in telecommunication market, including sub-assemblies like TOSA and ROSA. TOSA shown here and ROSA here. However, applications are not limited. In fact, many other applications can have a similar device architecture. For instance, frequency modulated continuous wave lidars or quantum sensing and quantum signal generators can share this kind of architecture. Typically, FMCW lidars need interferometric system. If you know about optics, interferometric systems can be built on optical benches like this, about 1 meter. You cannot put this optical bench on top of the car for the lidars. So you need to make miniaturizations. And quantum sensing as well, or quantum number generators, can be, in order to exploit quantum mechanical properties, we need to divide entangled photons in two. Such operations can be done in optical benches, but at the same time, same thing can be done in photonic integrated circuit like shown here. So if you see these PIC circuits, interferometers or beam splits can be enabled like this. Then we can miniaturize light source coupling to the PIC circuit, going out to sensing and returning back and detecting, which is typical T-ROSA sub-assembly of telecommunication. Like this optical transceiver architecture can be used in other applications. So I have been talking about our micro-optics product and applications. But in fact, we can do a lot more than just making micro-lenses. So we manufacture as well active MEMS sensing devices shown here, MEMS mass flow devices or MEMS infrared source. By manufacturing such active MEMS devices, we gain a lot of experiences and expertise for structuring substrate and metallizations and making mechanical features in wafer-level. So all these additional features can be added in our micro-lens chip on wafer-level for helping, for instance, higher integrations in co-packaged optics or onboard optics. So we need to integrate many channels in limited spaces. So sometimes you need mechanical features, very precise mechanical features for good alignment, or as well glue resolvers or spacers or glue stops. As well, further integration like semiconductor soldering process, you need soldering pad metals. Those metals can be as well connected with electrically and thermally with other devices. So we can do all these things in our micro-lens chips on wafer level, which means we can support you from the design and prototyping to high-volume mass production. Here, high-volume mass production means we can deliver you all these sophisticated, complex features in the chip level with multi-million chips per month to you. So that was, in fact, what we do for our clients on top of micro-optics, adding more features. And now, if you know about a little bit more about AXETRIS in Lidar group, you will gain more confidence. Let's talk about that. So now I go back to general description and general presentation of our Lidar group and AXETRIS. So here we show our business activities. Lidar group is 72 years old, very solid firm company and headquartered and manufacturing in Switzerland. So Lidar is famous for plastic welding, process heat, laser plastic weldings, and as well the do-it-yourself tools and industrial heating systems. 23 years ago, Lidar made technology diversification based on microtechnology. So microtechnology means here MEMS processes. So by gaining the expertise in MEMS processes, we could make micro-optics and micro-MEMS devices here. So as you can see here, we are very old and we have a good histories and strong background in technology. And as well, we are presented in all over the world. We have sales offices from the Far East, Japan, and China, headquartered and production in middle of the Europe and Switzerland. And as well, far west, we have 2 offices in USA and close to the Chicago area and far east California west coast as well. So we can serve you 24 hours without discontinuation on your local time. We have sales managers in our sales office in your local time. In fact, that's all what I want to talk to you today. So if you have questions or some inquiries, please tell me now. So maybe I will go back to my presentation window if you have any entered questions.